Et bonjour à tous les amis, c'est Neko, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve dans un tout nouveau jeu, So Cozy, sorti aujourd'hui même le 30 septembre 2024. Donc le but de ce jeu sera de sauver des animaux à l'intérieur d'un zoo, mais dans ce zoo, il se passe des choses très étranges et cette chose transforme les animaux. Je vous en dis pas plus, il suffit de regarder ma vidéo pour découvrir ce jeu à mes côtés. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner, de partager mon contenu et de me mettre plein de petits pouces bleus. C'est parti les amis.
Before we begin, I want you to put down your scribble.
Ah, il faut que je signe. Ah oui, ben je signe comme quoi c'est l'accord de non-divulgation pour le gardien de nuit du zoo de Pin Valley. Voilà, en fait, on va être gardien de nuit dans le zoo. La définition de l'information confidentielle. Ah bon, ils font une définition, ok. Allez, j'ai signé.
Excellent. You made the right move. Just a couple more things and you'll pull your family out of poverty.
I really hope so.
Attach this to your chest. Our scientists require us to do this to see everything that happens in the enclosures.
Scientists? I thought this was a zoo.
True. Ever thought that the smart Alex belong right in the zoo? Hope you got the joke. Excellent. Now let's get started. First, grab your personal PDA. It's necessary for interacting with all the work objects. Congratulations, you've taken the first step to becoming a part of our close-knit zoo family.
Wait, what's this for?
You'll find out later. Oh, are you finally awake? Good. Get up. It's time to get to work.
What the hell? What did you do to me?
I took care of your health. Working with animals requires prevention. You wouldn't want to bring some kind of infection home, would you? By the way, I took your phone as well. I'll return it in the morning after the shift.
So I got the job? I thought we had an interview. My wife was waiting for me outside.
The job will be yours if you make it through the night. Let's go. I still have a lot to show you.
Ah! À un moment donné, les gens, ils ont jamais appris à aller aux toilettes, sérieux? Ah, j'ai pas le droit pour le moment. Ah, on a une hache, si jamais, là. Faudra s'en rappeler.
It's quite spacious here.
Yep, this is our hub. You'll have plenty of everything here, except time. Now we're in the cold room. Here we store herbs, vegetables, and fish while the meat gets ground into portions for the animal rations. And right now we're running low on herbs and vegetables. Got the hint? Get to it. You can find the instructions in your PDA.
Déjà, il y a du français et ça, c'est top, tu vois. Parce que moi, l'anglais et moi, ça fait deux et... Alors, deux briquettes d'herbe. Alors, en même temps, c'est... Ouais, je perds du temps, ouais. C'est un petit peu un jeu de gestion en même temps. Ah, il manque une briquette de légumes.
Are you deliberately? Most of the bricks will be left as a reserve. And take these ones with you. It's time to show you our workers.
What was that?
There's something in the works that you're not ready to know about yet. Let's start with the basics.
Il me cache des choses, hein.
And here's our KATIE, Kinetic Automated Transport with Innovative Engineering. Katie will take you around the zoo. This is the refrigeration compartment. You need to load the brick trolley here. Until you load it here, Katie won't budge. To load the brick trolley, you need to activate the lever. Welcome aboard! Now, select the giraffe enclosure on the control panel and start the train. Are you deliberately wasting time? I do have limits to my patience.
Ouais, je sais, je cherche, d'accord? J'ai pas compris ce que tu m'as demandé parce que... Ah, c'est là. Ouais. Oh, enclos des girafes. Start.
Fasten your seatbelts and sit up straight. Let's go. So we're at the giraffe station. Now listen carefully, I won't repeat it twice. This is our mobile veterinary station. Here you'll be mixing medications for our animals.
Are they sick?
Well, they can be. We need to closely monitor the health of the animals. We have some quite rare specimens, so the thought of anything happening to them is out of the question. Take this seriously and we should all be safe for another day. Follow me. This is our kitchen factory. To collect feces for tests, you have to feed the animal its favorite food. Here's where you'll prepare it. Choose the recipe from the list. Cut, mix, and you're done. Any questions?
Yes.
Excellent. The zoo needs those who aren't afraid to ask. But even more so, it needs those who find answers themselves. All right, enough chit-chat. Go to the cut. You need to select the giraffe from the list. Don't make a mistake with the weight. The exact measurement is displayed on the weight indicator. Measure carefully. Excellent, Paul. Just like in the pharmacy. Cut. Now do the same with the herbal brick from the recipe. Go ahead.
Ok, c'est à moi de départager équitablement.
Perfect. Now activate the lever to lower the gadget trolley.
Ouais, c'est quoi ça?
I never thought a zoo could be organized like this. A train, trolleys.
Yes, Paul, our zoo is quite unique. It's our pride. You won't see anything like it in others.
Right. Then why has the zoo been closed for the second year? People say the zoo is going through tough times.
How would I know? I'm just a simple man. Clock in and clock out.
How long have you been working here?
Long enough to teach you everything. Come on, move the trolley. This is the entrance to the enclosure. To open the door, you need to insert your PDA into the enclosure terminal and select Open Enclosure. Take the bucket and dump the food in the feeding area.
Ah, elle s'appelle Cléo la girafe. Oh! Bonjour. Ah! Il s'appelle Beau, lui. Vous avez faim? Je dois faire quoi du coup? Verser dans la zone d'alimentation. Et où la zone d'alimentation du coup? Voyons voir. C'est là je pense. Attendez les girafes, je cherche. C'est moi passer. Oh, ils sont pas grands leurs enclos je trouve. Hein. C'est là je crois. Ouais, ça donne pas envie hein. Bon appétit.
Great. Now put on the MFE.
What's that?
Mobile Fecal Extractor. In simpler terms, a shit sucker. You've eaten shit before. Now you're going to suck it.
I don't know. Why do we need all this?
We need to constantly monitor the health of the animals, and taking excrement for tests is one of your key tasks. 100,000 a year, Paul. 100,000 fucking American dollars. You just have to collect the shit.
Donc là, il est en train de me dire qu'il faut que je ramasse leur caca. Hein. Ok. Peau.
Now take the TIS. To avoid unnecessary questions, it's a thermal imaging system. You can just call it a thermal imager. It's needed to determine the body temperature of our animals. Good. Now install it and measure the temperature of the giraffes.
La température de toutes les girafes. Hein. Il y en a une qui est plus chaude que l'eau. Elle a de la température celle-là. Oh, on peut lui faire une doudouse. J'ai eu un succès, c'est je peux caresser ce chien. Il est pas très bien celui-ci.
As you can see, one of the giraffes isn't doing well. We need to make a dart with Temperalax. It's a medication for normalizing the temperature of animals. By the way, it was developed by one of the local eggheads. Interact with the terminal and press the exit enclosure button. In the terminal, you can take the trolley back to the train.
Do I have to make some medications too?
Well, you studied chemical technology in Indiana. You'll manage.
Damn. How do you know all this?
Trust me, it's not something worth being surprised about here.
But I barely lasted 6 months there. Got kicked out in the first year.
No worries, that should be enough to mix a couple of ingredients following a ready-made formula.
Ok, n'hésitez pas à me dire ce que vous en pensez pour le moment en commentaire. J'aimerais bien connaître votre avis, mais pour le moment c'est pas mal du tout. On s'occupe des animaux, quoi, c'est très bien, chose qu'on aimerait tous faire.
Congratulations, Paul. You've just come closer to success and the well-being of your family. Now, go and load the collected fecal matter into the biomaterial receiver. Don't carry anything into the car. Everything must be sterile. And don't forget to put the shit sucker back in its place. So jumpy. Now you need to load the trolley into the train. To do this, press the lever inside the car.
Il n'y avait pas besoin de faire une frayeur, hein?
Excellent. Now this is our mobile vet station. To make Temporalax, you need to load the station with enough vials. I did it this time, but in the future you'll have to gather the vials yourself to cook it up. But keep in mind, chum, there are not so many vials. Think twice before using them. Perfect. Now take the dart from the dart dispenser. Cool, you've got Temporalax. Now load it into the veterinary gun. It's in the gadget trolley. Good. Now the only thing left is to dart the sick giraffe. The sick giraffe, Paul. Be careful, don't confuse both.
Ouais, qui s'inquiète pas, je sais pas la différence. Alors c'est Po qui est malade. Il est où, Po? Tu devrais te sentir mieux avec ça. Voilà. La girafe. Trop bien. Voilà.
So everything went smoothly?
Seems like it. I did this for the first time. Hopefully he'll get better soon.
Well, don't doubt that.
Okay.
We need to get back to the hub.
C'est plutôt pas mal en vrai. Hein.
Let's go, Paul. Escort me to the exit. It's time to leave you alone with our lovely zoo facilities.
Ok, donc là il m'a fait le tuto, ça y est, il s'en va quoi, il me laisse tout seul. Ok.
Every zookeeper is entitled to a service car. This one's mine. If
Oh.
you perform well tonight, you'll get one in the morning. Is that your wife? Should I tell her you're staying here for the night? Keep in mind, I'll lock you in until morning.
No problem. I think she'll figure it out and go home soon.
As you wish. Good luck, Paul. Don't mess up.
Je vais essayer. Vérifier l'angle suivant. Donc c'est celui qui est après les girafes, je suppose.
Paul, you entered here who knows how long ago. You're not answering calls. I'm worried.
Lily, sweetheart. Sorry. Didn't hear you right away. Everything's okay. They put me on probation, but I had to start immediately. You should just go home. I'll be back in the morning to tell you everything.
Paul, but I saw them lock you up. It's not normal.
Yeah, it's just protocol here. They took away my phone and made me sign an NDA. And all I have to do is feed and treat the animals. Oh, and by the way, there's plenty of meat here. I want my girls to finally eat normal food. I'll be right back. Don't go away.
Alors, attendez, faut que je me repère. Ok. Ça s'ouvre et ça se ferme automatiquement. Bon.
Lily, are you here?
Yeah.
Take this. Give Gina a kiss from Daddy. It's time for me to work.
Ok. On va aller voir l'enclos suivant. Merde, attends. Je sais pas si je peux mettre un peu de tout dessus, tu vois, genre pour déjà être sûr qu'il soit chargé. Voilà, on va tout prendre. C'est en faisant qu'on apprend, les amis. Alors. Les éléphants. Ah, ils mangent beaucoup, les éléphants. Ah, j'ai un peu foiré. Ah, du coup, j'ai plus assez. Bon. On va préparer la nourriture des gorilles. Ah, c'est bien fait, en fait, le fait que... Bon, il y a un peu plus que prévu. Ah, 31% de... Bon, on va voir. L'animal pourrait refuser de manger, ils m'ont dit, hein. On va aller voir un peu.
Night Zookeeper, Paul Connolly.
Oh, thank God, finally. Please don't hang up. I've been trying to reach my husband all day. He's a scientist, Clarence J. Summers. People usually call him CJ.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm here alone.
Please check for me. He should be in the lab.
Is there a lab here?
Oh, I understand. You're new. Then one last request. Look in his locker in the break room. Code 1768.
Ma'am, this doesn't feel right.
Paul, I'm begging you. CJ needs to take his medication regularly. I just want to make sure he has them with him. Just open the locker, that's all. I'll call back.
Ok. Ah. Ça a ajouté une nouvelle note. Ok. C'est bon, on a soigné le gorille. Voilà mon ami, c'est bien. Allez, super. Téléphone qui sonne encore.
Night Zookeeper, Paul Connolly. I'm sorry, ma'am. I haven't had a chance to look around yet.
Ok.
What's with the ma'am?
Oh, nothing. A woman called, looking for someone named CJ, searching for her husband.
That bitch again. Although CJ's no saint either, always hanging around some girls, lying to his wife that he's in the lab. And we don't even have labs here. Anyway, forget it. Why am I calling you? There'll be a food delivery soon, and you need to grind some fresh meat. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. I'll call you later.
Ok. Oh. Oula. Ok, notre personnage il s'est mis à vomir, on sait pas pourquoi là. Alors, il a dit qu'on allait recevoir de la nourriture. Pas encore. Alors attends, c'est quoi? Oh, il leur donne des humains?
Hello? Damn. I mean, Night Zookeeper Paul Connolly.
Don't worry, Paul. It's me again. How's it going? Do you need any explanations?
Oh, I definitely do. I thought you had beef or, I don't know, lamb in the fridge. And
there's a long-necked pig. You see, Paul, dozens of parasites spread from the mother every day. They infiltrate our animals and they turn into, how shall I put it? Well, monsters. And they have specific tastes. They need meat.
What the hell is the mother?
Relax. The mother is securely locked away. Not much is known about her, so they study her. Forget about it. You know your tasks. Don't worry about the rest.
Ah mais ça parle quand même d'humain là.
I gave a piece of meat to my wife.
You did what? Sorry, Paul, but it's really ridiculous. Life gives you a chance to become a worthy, well-off person, and you take the easy way, descending to simple theft. There won't be any more indulgence, so if they say grind bodies, you grind. They'll say kill, you kill. Got it?
Got it. Just tell me where my phone is. I'll call Lily. Maybe she and Gina haven't eaten yet.
I won't allow it, chum. If you call your wife, it'll be a direct violation of the NDA. No, Paul, you won't drag me into this. You'll have to fully feel the consequences of your misdeed. And now stop whining and go to work.
Oh putain. Nourrir l'animal infecté, mais Oh, elle est vivante! Elle est vivante! Oh my god! Il y en a un qui est blessé là-bas. Et lui, il vomit là. On en a 2 qui sont malades déjà. Bonjour. Il est blessé lui. On va prendre les températures. Merde. On en a 2 qui sont malades là. Hein. Ils ont de la fièvre ces deux-là. Et l'autre il est où? Wally a l'air en pleine forme. Voilà. Il se passe quoi? Comment je les sauve? Avec quoi je les sauve? Voilà. Ah! Attendez, parce que ça me stresse de ouf. Hein. Oh my god. Oh my god, je fuis comme un lâche, mais j'ai trop peur. Ça lui a rien fait l'injection létale? Comment je sais ça correspond à quoi? Je pense que c'est ça, non? de gourer sur la viande. Hein. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. J'allais comme ça. Oh là là. Il va pas aimer du coup? Tant pis, j'accepte. Je sais pas s'il peut m'attaquer en vrai. Il attend à manger, vous pensez? Oh là là, mais en fait il les tue, il a tué Wally, vite. On va recréer des injections létales, apparemment ça a été efficace. Il a perdu un cœur malgré tout. Le pistolet, je l'ai toujours. Allez, hop. Hop, alors, injection létale. Vite, allez. Parce que Wally, il est mort là, à cause de moi, là. J'ai été trop lente. Je l'entends mais je le vois pas, c'est horrible. Tenez bon. Il a eu le temps de le tuer, il était invisible. Ça lui a rien fait? Ok. Il est juste là. Ça l'a tué, je crois. Oh my god. Regardez, ça a buté le parasite. Je laisse ça comme ça, je peux pas récupérer le microbiote. Le truc là. Ok, pas mal. Attendez. On va quand même refermer l'endroit. Et je ferme pas la porte? C'est bizarre. Oh là 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 là. Oula. Ah ouais, putain, je prends ça peut-être. Ouais, parce que je trouve ça étrange qu'on laisse le parasite quand même à l'intérieur. C'est ça. Bon, Penny, Sally et Amy sont vivants. Il n'y a que Wally qui est mort, le pauvre. Et ce que je trouve bizarre, c'est que je ferme pas l'enclos, quoi. Très étrange. Les kangourous, là, ils sont livrés à eux-mêmes. Hein. On va retourner au hub. La SNCF vous offre un très bon voyage. Ça me démangeait les gars depuis un moment. Oh là. Ok les amis, c'est ici donc on va s'arrêter. N'hésitez pas à me dire ce que vous en avez pensé en commentaire. N'oubliez pas également de vous abonner, de partager mon contenu et de me mettre plein de petits pouces bleus. Et on se retrouve tous les mardis et samedis soirs à 22 h pour un live. Donc n'hésitez pas à me faire un petit coucou. À très bientôt les amis. Ciao ciao.